Good morning, dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are doing well. Now, today we are going to do GK. Chapter number 13, Special Days, right? Here, what you have to do, write in the boxes which festival or day the children are talking about. Okay, so you will be given few pictures and you have to guess which festival it is. Now, children, see what pictures you can see over here. You can see so many rangolis, so many diyas, so many lanterns over here. So, what is given? I make rangoli designs and decorate my home with diyas and candles. So, children, which festival it is you all celebrate with joy? It is Diwali, right? Now, see another picture. What you can see over here? So many gifts. There is Christmas tree also decorated. Santa Claus is there. You all enjoy this festival. Right now? So, which festival it is? What clue is given? I go to church and enjoy the gifts Santa Claus brings for me. So, which festival it is? It is Christmas. And it comes in which month? December, right? And now see here, colorful picture. See, so many colors are there. In which festival you use colors? I sprinkle colors with pichkari and eat gujiyas. Can you see the sweet in the plate? It is gujiyas, right? You eat in which festival? Holi. Next is what it is given here. See, Golden Temple is given, right? So, I go to the Gurudwara, eat langar and listen to others, right? In which festival? Who celebrates it? Sikh. Sikh जो होते हैं ना वो ये फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. What is the name? Guru Purab. Now see this. What you can see? Mosque. And see the people are greeting each other. And the dish also, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? जो डिश है उसको सेवई बोलते हैं. क्या बोलते हैं? सेवई. And what clue is given? I eat sevai and go to pray at the Eidgah. So in which festival people go to pray in Eidgah? Eid. Now I go to the pandals and pray to goddess Durga. यहाँ पे किसका किसका पिक्चर लगा हुआ है? गॉडेस दुर्गा का, राइट? सो इन विच फेस्टिवल they go to the pandals? In Durga Puja. Now children, this is your day. It is the birthday of Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India. तो जवाहरलाल नेहरू जो है वो कौन है? हमारे फर्स्ट प्राइम मिनिस्टर है, राइट? और उसका जब बर्थडे आता है तो हम क्या सेलिब्रेट करते हैं? कम ऑन चिल्ड्रन, चिल्ड्रंस डे, राइट? Now what is given? We dress up as teachers and perform on this day. तो यहाँ पे क्या होता है? बच्चे जो होते हैं वो टीचर बनते हैं. तो आपको तो पता ही है कौन से दिन को बनते हैं, राइट? टीचर्स डे. Now children, we will move to the next chapter, that is glimpses of the hills, right? Now children, in summer season when we feel very hot, right? So at that time we plan to go to the hill station. Why we go to the hill station? Because the climate over there is very cool. हमको वहाँ पे बहुत अच्छा लगता है, वहाँ पे गर्मी भी नहीं लगती, राइट? सो वी गो टू हिल स्टेशन टू एंजॉय अवर वेकेशंस. So come on, let's visit the hill stations. सबसे पहले कहाँ जाएंगे बोलो? Dalhousie. Wow, so beautiful over here. And see the mountains, green. And the climate over here is very cool. And I will show you one important thing from here. See, here also the greenery is there. It looks so beautiful. And where it is? It is in the Himachal Pradesh. Now, which place is this? Which hill station is this? Darjeeling. And see the hills over here. It looks so beautiful. And children, do you know what is this? This is Kanchenjunga. White hills to दिख रहे हैं ना वो? So from here you can see these hills. And do you know where Darjeeling is situated, in which state? West Bengal. Now what is this? Which hill station is this? Gulmarg. And can you see here all the mountains are covered with snow. And it is very cool here. Okay. We enjoy our vacation here when we go. And do you know where it is situated? See the houses. Houses are also covered with the snow. And it looks so beautiful. Here you can see less greenery and white snow you can see more. And the trees are also covered with snow. And do you know where it is situated? It is situated in Jammu and Kashmir. Now see children, which place is this? Mahabaleshwar. So many of you had gone over there, right? I hope you had gone Mahabaleshwar and see the view. The river from between the valleys there. Then hills are there. It looks so beautiful. And see this picture in Mahabaleshwar. When you will visit Mahabaleshwar, you can see this type of snow. और उसको पता है क्या बोलते हैं? नीडल होल रॉक. क्योंकि यहाँ पे जो होल है ना वो नीडल में जैसे होता है वैसे होल है यहाँ पर. तो this view is known as needle hole rock. Okay, and see the people over here watching, right? Where it is situated? Maharashtra. Next is Kodagu. And see here, the lake is so nice. Hills are also there and the view is so beautiful. Where it is situated, in which state? Karnataka. Wow, what a beautiful picture. It's Nainital. And see the water, so clean, crystal clear water, right? And the river is covered with the mountain on the side. Do you know where it is situated? It is situated in Uttarakhand. See the river flowing from between the mountains. And all the mountains are green in color because it is covered with small plants, right? Now what is this? Yerkod. See the river here. The people are in the boat, sailing in the boat. This is a beautiful lake, right? So, and the water is also so clear. And when you will go there, you can see the roads are made on the mountain. Okay, it is a hill station and it is situated in Tamil Nadu. Now which place is this? Mount Abu. Here also you can see the lake, right? And see the sight from here. It looks very beautiful. And it is situated in the state of Rajasthan. Wow, what is this? Waterfalls. And do you know which waterfalls these are known as Seven Sister Falls? Okay. And the place is Cherrapunji. See the waterfalls. The water looks like a milky water. Milk जैसा दिख रहा है ना? And so many waterfalls are there here. And where it is situated? In which state? Meghalaya. Now which place is this, children? Panchmari. Here also the mountains are covered with green, small green plants. And there is a lot of greenery over here. Beautiful garden is also there. See? It is designed so nicely. And where it is situated? Madhya Pradesh. Now which place is this? Gangtok. Children, can you see here the buildings are made on the mountain? See? All the buildings are made on the mountains, right? Because this is the mountainous area. See here the buildings. It looks so beautiful. Even you can see from the house, from your house also you can see the scenery. Very beautiful. And where it is situated? Sikkim. In which state? Sikkim. So children, today we had visited so many hill stations. You all enjoyed it? Bye children. Have a nice day.